So welcome to CODA Audio. I'm Edgar Krüeger, responsible for technical support. And at this trade fair, we are showing the ViFORCE line array system. This is our latest product in the line array range. This is a Wideband Cardioid system. This is the special technology of the system. So we are producing a true cardioid pattern up to 300 Hertz. And this is a four-way system. We have got a dual diaphragm planar wave driver at the front side, two 8-inch cone drivers, and two 6.5-inch cone drivers on the side of the system. So the horizontal pattern is changeable with the InstaFit magnetic couplers, so with 60, 90 or 120 degree. And this system is working also with its associated subwoofer. It's called SubForce 35. It's 3 times 15-inch sensor-controlled subwoofer system, which has got the same shape like the system, and it's also an integrated cardio system. So it's the complete package isn't from house a cardio with cardio technology. You don't need to turn something around, the subwoofers or anything else. Everything is coming directly with a cardioid pattern. So we are showing the system outside at the demo slots. And if you like, you're welcome to listen to it.